Growing up in British Columbia, wildfires have always been a part of the summer landscape. But in recent years, they've become more frequent, more intense, and far more destructive, driven by the growing impacts of climate change. As more homes are damaged or lost, fire restoration has become a critical and rapidly evolving field. Innovations in this area are helping families return home sooner, offering a glimpse of hope in the aftermath of devastation. When a fire occurs, prompt and thorough restoration is essential to return homes and buildings to safe, livable conditions. The restoration process typically follows a series of key steps. First, a certified fire restoration company should be contacted immediately after the fire is extinguished. Trained professionals conduct a detailed inspection to assess the full extent of the fire, smoke, and water damage. They evaluate which parts of the structure are vulnerable and recommend the necessary measures to secure the site before any work begins. Once the property is safe to enter, water used during the firefighting efforts is carefully extracted using specialized pumps and industrial-grade dehumidifiers. This drying phase is crucial. Excess moisture can lead to secondary damage like mold growth if not addressed quickly and thoroughly. Next, restoration experts focus on cleaning smoke and soot residues from all affected surfaces. Using advanced equipment like hydroxyl generators and thermal foggers alongside targeted chemical treatments, they eliminate stubborn stains and neutralize lingering odors caused by the smoke. Following that, any materials that are too damaged to salvage, like charred drywall, flooring, or insulation, are carefully removed. This demolition phase is often made more efficient with innovations like robotic demolition tools and moisture sensors that detect hidden dampness, ensuring a clean, safe space for rebuilding. The cleaning process also extends to personal belongings and structural components. Items are sanitized using technology such as UV light treatment and ozone chambers to eliminate bacteria, viruses, and other contaminants left behind by the fire. Once the space is cleared and cleaned, the rebuilding phase begins. This involves repairing or replacing damaged walls, floors, ceilings, and electrical systems with the ultimate goal of restoring the home to its pre-fire condition. The use of modern construction materials and prefabricated components can help speed up this process while enhancing durability and fire resistance. Finally, a comprehensive inspection is performed, often with digital imaging tools and moisture detectors, to ensure that everything meets safety standards. Once the home is cleared, the property owner can return with confidence, knowing that their space is safe, clean, and structurally sound. While these advancements have made the restoration process faster and more effective, the best solution is prevention. Fires can be devastating, but many are avoidable with the right safety measures in place. Start by installing and regularly testing smoke alarms on every level of your home, especially near sleeping areas. Practice safe cooking habits by never leaving a stove unattended and always keeping flammable items away from heat sources. Electrical safety is just as important. Avoid overloading outlets, replace frayed or damaged cords, and have the wiring inspected by a licensed electrician if anything seems off. Create and rehearse a clear fire escape plan with your household. Make sure all exits are accessible and everyone knows where to go in case of emergency. Store flammable materials like gasoline and paints in proper containers away from heat or spark sources. If you live in a wildlife-prone area, like much of BC, clear dry brush, leaves, and debris from around your home. Creating defensible space can make a huge difference. Ultimately, prevention protects lives and reduces the need for recovery in the first place. That said, when fires do happen, restoration services are about more than rebuilding structures. They help restore a sense of stability, dignity, and hope. After a fire, families are often left in shock, not just displaced, but overwhelmed. Restoration professionals offer more than technical expertise. They bring compassion, clarity, and speed in a time of crisis. Because in the end, fire restoration isn't just about bringing back what was lost. It's about helping people move forward.